The motor torpedo boat, a fast and agile naval vessel, ushered in a new era of naval warfare during World War II. Spearheaded by innovators like John Thornycroft, these boats were equipped with powerful torpedoes and unparalleled maneuverability. Their tactical brilliance shone during confrontations like the daring attack on the Italian cruiser Bandinere near Elba, displaying speed and stealth in maritime operations. Not only did they redefine hit-and-run tactics on the sea, but they also inspired the formation of PT boat squadrons. The legacy of motor torpedo boats is profound, influencing the design of modern fast-attack craft and redefining the strategic approach to naval engagements in contemporary combat scenarios.